Well, welcome you all. The next question, this is also from JAM examination. A zero order reaction is 50% complete in 30 minutes. How long after the start of the reaction will the reaction be 80% complete? So what they given? They are given time for 50% completion. What they are asking? Time for 80% completion. So simply the comparison, 50% of the reaction is given. T80% is asking. T80% means 20 remaining. That is A is 100%. A minus X, that is the reacted amount is 80% reacted. So that amount is remaining is 20. From this given data, what are the things which is arrived? The reaction is zero order reaction and 50% completing 30 minutes. So this is the real information arrived. Right. T half for zero order reaction is equal to A0 by 2K. So simply which is equal to T half. The T half is given 50% completing 30 minutes. So T half is given A0, that is 100%. So what is the things we arrived from this given data? T half is given and 50% is given. So initial amount should be 100%. So the A0 should be 100%. So T half is given. T half is equal to 30 minutes. From the given information, we can arrive the value of K. If we know the value of K for the particular reaction for at 50%, we can also arrive time for 80% by using the integrated rate law expression. What is the integrated rate law expression? The integrated rate law expression for zero order reaction is K is equal to A0 minus A divided by T. Okay? This is the if we know these two formula, we can easily arrive the answer for this given problem, because T30 is given. From the value of T30, we can easily calculate the value of rate constant. Once you found the rate constant for the reaction at T50%, the same rate constant is maintained for T80% also. So for T80%, if you know the value of K, A0 is 100%, A at particular time, that is 80% completion, that is remaining 20%. So if we know the value of three things, easily found the value of T. So this is the way to solve this problem. Okay. So T half, from the T half given T half value for zero order reaction, we can find the value of K. From the K value and T80%, we can easily calculate the time to complete 80% conversion. Okay. Okay. We'll move to the solution. Right. So T half A0 is 100%, 2K. So we can simply put T half is in 30 minutes. What is the value of K? K is equal to A0 divided by 2T half. So A0 is your 100%. So simply put 100 and 2T half, 2 into 30 minutes. So it will be cancelled. So 10 by 6, which is equivalent to 1.66 per minute, because 30 minute denominator, if you will come to the numerator, the value becomes K. The K value is per minute. So the K is equal to 1.66 per minute. So we will arrive the value of K. So from the value of K, we have to find the value of T 80%. So now T 80% is equal to 100 minus 80 divided by the value of K 1.66 per minute. So here A0 is there. So A0 mole per liter. So 100 mole per liter also there. Here also mole per liter, and the unit is mole per liter per minute. So this is not 1.66 minute, mole per liter per minute. This is a unit for your zero order reaction. And here we will get 100 minus 80. This is concentration. In the concentration we will have the unit of mole per liter. So mole per liter cancel. If minute goes to numerator, we will get the value of minute. So 20 divided by 100 minus 20. For 80% completion, we have to put a 20. So therefore we will have the value of 80 by 1.66 minute, which is equivalent to 48 approximately 0.07 something. Will round up to 48 minutes. So the time to complete 80% conversion is 48 minutes. With including unit, we arrive the answer. Okay. So the strategy to solve the problem is T half is given. From the T half value, we have to calculate rate constant. So from the rate constant for T50, this is the rate constant is constant for complete reaction. So T 80%, which is calculated from the value of integrated rate expression. So this is the solution for this question. We will get the answer of 48 minutes.